Hey, it's your girl Dom Del Cielo here with another tutorial. Today we're gonna do a very blue because I'm kind of sad. It's been a rough week already. But anyway, this do blue like ice queen look. I'm kind of just gonna like improv with my palette. But first, you know, we gotta do some priming, eye primer, and then I have Colonia. So why don't I just take the box first? Baby, it's prime time for our love. Prime time for my first. It's gonna be on my face, on my eyes, and then we gon' get started. Priming our faces. Priming our faces. Balls. See what it looks like in here. Yummy. Just kidding. See this delicious now. Oh. Oh, it's not done. Hold my fire up. Oh. It's really that primer a lot, actually. I feel like it's really smooth and it makes everything stay on. Oh, it's really probably right there, so on. Okay. Now it's time for some eyeshadow primer. We're gonna do our eyes first again. So I like with bold eye looks is that we do our eyes first so we can cover any of my mistakes with foundation. Am I right or am I right? Oh. Okay. Looks very prepped. Now we're just gonna get my eyebrows together. Isn't too bad today. I already have pretty thick eyebrows, so it's not super duper hard. There's my eyebrows, and then this time we're gonna take some concealer, put it under here, and we'll down here. But I'll buff it out onto my eyes. I'm gonna show you after this time, okay? So I do love this concealer instead of above my eyes to help make it all look even, blend that out a little bit. It's time for some fun, some color fun. Fun today with my Sojin palette from ColourPop. So I'm gonna use these two, so Sapphire and Turquoise for the base. This would be my highlight, is Aquamarine, and then we're gonna do some glitter with Opal. Stay tuned. So far I've made my Aquamarine my inner corners, Sapphire my base, so I'm gonna add Turquoise around the outside of here to give it a little bit more depth. You can really see that blue pop, man. Whew, that is awesome. Do you like that? That's so pretty. I look crazy right now, but we're gonna clean it up. So we're gonna add a little bit more Sapphire back into the mix. Just a little bit, just so we can get it blended out here. You can see it kind of fade in like that. This is why we do our eyes first, because I could fall everywhere. So then I'm gonna add some glitter. It's already one eye, so we're gonna try to do something on camera. Like plaque, you have to get a small one and like plaque it on there. Top of the concealer. Try to make sure they're even. So it's way harder to do on camera. Should I pack on the glitter? Trial and error to this. Keep it icy. We're gonna do some Aquamarine around the bottom. Look at this. Oh, so hard to do. Okay. Gotta clean that up. Okay. Yes, nice angle brush from Mary Kay's we're using. Okay. Okay. After I finish that up, I'm gonna do some eyeliner and then foundation. Now that I've got my eyes done and I got the foundation done, oh, this little spot in the middle there looks nice and red. You can tell that's actual skin. Nope, can't have that. they can't know I have real skin. Okay, now we have all our, see, this is the hard part. You gotta make sure you get all, see, it's like nice in this camera though, I can see. So we have still have our underline. Okay, so I'm gonna add some depth to my face. This one dark one I'm gonna put on like my mustache, and I'm gonna put on like this part here so you can't see it. Then I have this bright one to brighten up and put it underneath here and underneath here. Tribal paint. We got our tribal war paint on. I'm gonna use this side to do the dark parts. Let's blend it all out there. Oh, that's so racist. I'm sorry. I have a Peter Pan. Other side to help. But this side I did a little extra because we're trying to make it look spooky, well, spooky, but like cold. Which is a big task because I have such dark skin. Like, it's a big task for me to try to look a little bit paler. But we're just gonna highlight my eyes because they're like the spectacle of this look. Oh, come on. No, now, come on. Come see about me. Come see about you, baby. So now I'm gonna put on my setting powder, and then we're gonna do my blush and lips. So I just did some blush. You want to center from like the apple of your cheek to all the way out, both sides, to give my face some depth. This is Cranberry Bowl by Mary Kay, my fave. Especially a good one if you have like medium to dark skin. Like I have dark skin. This looks fantastic. So now I'm gonna do some just like neutral lip gloss because again the eyes are we're making the eyes pop this time. It's about this glitter. This color is called S'more Devour by Beauty Bakery. I'm gonna put some of that on, then we're gonna do some highlight because icy. Okay, now that we got eyes, lips, face done, it's time to add some highlight. So let's see, there's Cupid's bow. I like to do that a lot. A little bit here. Definitely gonna put a lot right in here. Okay. No, I really don't want to touch my eyes because I really like how they already look. Add a little bit here. Just put like a little bit up here. I like to make that highlight. Oh, so it's time to blend it in. So I'm just gonna use this guy. Oh, it's not that effective. Nope, we're gonna use use this brush we used 6 billion times, but who cares? It's my skin, so see how that looks much smoother. Cold and dripping icicles. We give our face a nice bright shine. The earth is just a thing you can claim, but I know every rock and tree and creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name. You think the only people singing it's all blended in there are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you learn things you never knew, How high does a sycamore grow? If you cut it down, then you'll never know. Now we're setting our face, and you'll never hear the wolf cry till the blue come moon. So I let that set, and then we're gonna do mascara. Last one, same thing.